Do you love calamari? Crumbed calamari. And you can't go out to a restaurant and you have a craving for it. Well, I'm going to show you how you can make your own. LULAS Fritas is the Portuguese version of crumbed calamari, and it's actually quite easy to make. The first thing you're going to do is to make sure that your squid tubes are clean, and then you are going to cut them into rings. Once you've got them in rings, put them into a small mixing bowl, and then you're going to chop up a green chili and add that in, and then you're going to get some lemon juice. I haven't got fresh lemon, otherwise I'd use the juice of fresh lemon, but you're going to use squirt a whole lot of lemon juice over that, and you're going to let that marinate in the chili lemon juice mixture for and add in a garlic clove as well, and you are going to let that marinate for about an hour, and that is so that the lemon juice will tenderize your calamari, because there's nothing worse than your calamari coming out like chopped up old shoes. Okay, all done, ready to marinate. It's been liberally squirted with lemon juice, so time to let it marinate now for an hour. So what you're going to do now is you are going to prepare 3 different bowls. This one has about 1/3 of a cup of flour, 1/4 teaspoon of chili or chili flakes, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, about 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And I'm gonna just make sure that that's all mixed together nicely. And then you're going to have 2 eggs that you've beaten, and then about 1/2 cup or so of breadcrumbs. So I usually use chopsticks, but I don't have chopsticks, so I'm going to use these skewers. So what you're going to do is you are going to, let me just try and manipulate it with this. You're going to pick up a calamari ring. You're first going to put it in the flour like this, that it's all covered. Then let me just move this fork out the way. You're going to dip it now into the egg mixture like that. Make sure that it's well coated. Not so easy to manipulate with skewers instead of chopsticks. Right, now you're going to put this in the breadcrumbs. Right, and then this will get put into the hot oil. So I'm just going to put it on here so long while I get the others all prepared. Okay, calamari is all prepared. Oil is heating, so I can't wait to have my crumbed calamari. I tell you, this recipe for LULAS Fritas, the Portuguese version of crumbed calamari, is absolutely outstanding. Much better than anything you buy commercially. If you're going to buy crumbed calamari, the supermarket, the frozen version of this, not nearly as good as making your own. always put just a little piece in to the hot oil first so that you can see when it's ready to put the other in. As soon as it starts bubbling, you can start cooking your crumbed calamari. You just want it to be a golden brown, very light golden brown. You don't want it too dark because you don't want it to get tough. If you overcook calamari, it will be very tough. There you have it. Best ever LULAS FRITAS, Portugal's crumbed calamari. And you can eat this with, put a little bit of lemon juice on it as well, and you can make up your own sauce to have with it, like a little dipping sauce. I'm just going to put on a little bit of mayonnaise and sweet chili sauce, because that's all I have. The link for the detailed recipe is in the description below. And if you can like and comment and subscribe to my channel, that will be amazing. You'll be helping a very old lady grow her little YouTube channel. So take care, and I'll see you on my next adventure.